What has it been like to work with Bush women? It's been an exhilarating experience, just having like all these beautiful, strong women just kind of like guide me in this world and really push me past my comfort zones. Something about UNCG led me to it. So I chose UNCG, found the dance department, and just fell completely in love. It might feel like you're spreading yourself thin sometimes, but I feel like if you don't invest in every opportunity a school, a university offers you, then you really don't want it as much as you think you do. Sometimes the answers can only come from you. So when you finally realize that you hold so many powers, you can step in any direction you want, full-heartedly.